Hello my beautiful people. So today we are going to talk about where you can get a loan of 100k and above for your business without any collateral. So first of all, what is a collateral? Collateral is that thing that you use to secure a loan either in a bank or a circle. You're getting? So collateral is something like a logbook or even a title deed. So I'm going to explain to you where you can get this money without those things. So I know you guys are so amazed and you're wondering who can give you 100,000 without any collateral. Guess what? I'm going to explain that it's possible. For those people who are saying that it's not possible, it is possible. So before I jump into this topic of today, kindly, if you haven't subscribed and if you're new here watching me right now, my name is Doreen. This is Top Vlogs. This is where we talk about finance, where to invest your money, where to get funds for your business, best businesses you can start with maybe less money or even without any money. So just take a moment of your time, just a second of your time. You can see a subscription button on your left. Just click it, become a member of this family, and let's move together. You can also like this video. I'll always tell you that it takes less than a second of your time and it's free of charge. So let's dive into today's topic, and I'm going to explain deeply and further. So where can you get this kind of money in Kenya? Guess what? This is very possible, and all you need to do is to have patience. First qualification for this loan is time. Time is the first qualification for this, because you will need to invest first so that you can get this money. And guess what? You may be asking yourself, what kind of time do I need to stay so that I can get this money? So you'll only need like less than a year, or even 6 months, depending on how much you're going to save. Guess what? I'll give you the best place to save so that you can get this money. So the second for qualification will be you saving your money. First one was time, because you'll need to have some patience. You planning your business and stuff, you'll also need some patience. Second thing you'll need is to save your money. So I'll give you the best place that I've saved money and I know it's working, and also know my friends are doing so, and we're really hoping for something better in the coming few months. So guys, you can check on Caritas Sacco. Caritas Sacco is the best Sacco that you can invest. Very trustworthy. It's under Catholic Church and it's doing amazing. It's been there for over 10 years and people are doing amazing with it. Guess what? You can just find a few of your friends who are like 4 or 3 people, maybe your colleague, maybe it's a family member or some people you know very well, and you can encourage each other to save on this circle. Guess what? If you're going to save with Caritas Circle, they are going to give you 3 times. So let's say, for example, I convinced 4 of my friends, people that I really know. I'll tell you why I'm telling you to convince your people or maybe your family friends to join and start saving with you. So maybe you convince these people and you started saving at least 3,000 per month or even 2,000 per month. So this means that in the end of 1 year, you'll be having at least 3,000 times 12, which is a lot of money, right? So if you're going to get this money, like let's say for example you have been saving 2,000, so 2,000 times 12, that is around 24k, right? 24,000 you multiply by 3, right? Or you can even do 3,000 and above. So this is where your friends come in. So you will not need a collateral in any circle in Kenya, as much as I'm concerned, as much as I know that you're not going to need any collateral in any circle in Kenya. That is a good circle that is registered. Leave alone these circles that people run away with your money and you're left wondering where to start from. So the best thing about Caritas is that these people will never ask you for collateral, but the only thing that they will require from you is a guarantor, and this is where your friends are coming in. So if you convinced 1 or 2 of your friends to join with you, people you trust or even a family, family members or 3 family members that you convinced very well, and you joined together and you have been saving together and you trust each other, right? So they are going to guarantee you this loan. And guess what? You're going to get this loan as soon as possible, as just the same day maybe that you applied. It will take like maybe 24 hours, because with Caritas you can also ask for advance is given also after 6 months of saving, and it also depends with how you have been saving, right? So advance will also be given to you as trust, so that maybe advance is also paid, I think, in a month. So they'll give you this advance, and they'll also watch on how you're going to repay it. So if you repay in good terms, according to what you two wrote between you and the circle, it means that these people will have faith in you. They'll have faith in you in even giving you a lot of money in future, right? Isn't that amazing, guys? Just take a moment of your time. If you haven't subscribed and you are watching me until now, kindly just take a moment of your time and subscribe. I know you've been asking yourself, why do you keep on telling us to subscribe to this channel? Guess what? This is the reason. If you subscribe to this channel, anytime I do any video, it is going to update you. You will also click the notification bell so that it will send you notifications anytime I do a video. And guess what? If this video did not help you, what about the next video that I'm going to do? What about those videos that I've been doing previously, right? So let's grow together. Allow me to share with you these ideas. I know if you're here, it's because maybe you're looking for something you can do, right? Yeah, so just become my subby, and you're welcome. Become also a family, and you can also click that like buttons, because it always attracts many people to come and view my video. Without further ado, I've explained much on how you can get this loan, and I'm really hoping this is going to help you in future. So first of all, you just need to be patient, because it will need you to have a lot of patience, either 6 months or 1 year prior to you taking this loan, because you also need to gain trust. There's so many good circles out there. There is Sharia circle, there is Tima circle, but I haven't tried them, so I cannot tell you something that I haven't tried myself. So I'll only advise you to go for Caritas circle, because I trust it. It's under Catholic Church, and you guys know Catholic Church. It's not just because I go to a Catholic church, but it's because it's a church that many of you know, right? So this circle has been there for over 10 years, and people have really benefited from it. So guys, you just find friends, just find like 4 of your friends, 2, 4, 3 friends, depending on who you trust. You can also find 2 to 3 members of your family. Encourage each other to save, right? You can save as little as 2,000 every month prior to your business. You can take this time in between the first month to the 6th month that you started saving, to think on what you're going to do with your business, right? And no circle at all can ever ask you for collateral. I've explained what a collateral is. Collateral is something you give out in order to get that loan. Maybe it's a logbook or a title deed or something else, right? Because there are also these Shylocks that will ask you, you give them your fridge, give them this and this, your household, your laptop, so that they can give you loans, right? So any circle that is in Kenya registered legally is not supposed to ask you for collaterals. The only thing they ask you for is a guarantor, and I've shown you how you can easily get a guarantor. You can encourage each other and get a guarantor, and you can go save together, encourage each other, because if I take a loan this time, you'll also need me to take to guarantee you as a friend who guaranteed me in time of need. So I'm really hoping that this is going to help you in one way or another. I'm really hoping that you're going to prosper and get this loan as I've explained, and I'm really hoping the loan is going to help you in future, right? And as I always say, just these vlogs are not just to encourage you to dig and sink into debts, but it's only helping you when you're in need. And please be responsible and pay these loans. on time. So until my next video, ciao.